While we see some really painful stories that's unfolding across many states over lack of medical facilities, particularly oxygen supply, we're going to take you through some of those facts here on oxygen that you really want to know. At the moment, we're looking at a serious shortage of oxygen supply, but nonetheless, when do you really need oxygen support? It's only when you have shortness of breath. That's when you, of course, need oxygen. And of course, while falling blood oxygen levels, you need to constantly monitor your oxygen levels. And if it is falling, then you need to rush to a hospital and avail oxygen there. Infects and inflames lung cells. How does really COVID trigger an oxygen crunch? Now, we're looking at triggers fluid buildup. If at all, that's the time that you need to take oxygen, when it triggers a fluid buildup. We're looking at least 54.4% need for oxygen in the second wave. More number of people now in the second wave looking for oxygen, while ventilator support requirement is down to 27% as opposed to the previous wave. Now, we're looking at oxygen level that, in fact, hospitals to give oxygen only when your oxygen level is below 92% in moderate cases and 88% in chronic long ailment cases. In fact, we're looking at oxygen shortage that's currently been witnessed. You will see will you at all see any symptoms of COVID-19 if at all your oxygen level is down? Experts say no, you can be short on oxygen yet not breathless. These are some of the facts that experts have now come out with.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.